Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this occasion. I want to say a few words about road transport. I will not take much time of the house. I shall speak only on two or three points. First, I am glad that the public are very much satisfied with the transport service. I am certain that there has been some improvement, but as some honorable members have pointed out, there are heavy stocks of spare parts in the transport stores. The estimates committee has said that such huge stocks should not be kept. The value of these stocks may be some lakhs of rupees. If they are kept for a long time without being used, they will have to be sold only as scrap in the open market. In this connection, I would like to point out that on account of import restrictions, some firms have already stopped the import of vehicles and spare parts. If action is not taken as early as possible in regard to this matter, I am afraid that the government will lose heavily. I hope and trust that they will attend to this matter as soon as possible. Then, with regard to the installation of wireless sets in order to report breakdown of buses and for the purpose of providing immediate relief, I understand that though orders have been placed with a firm for the supply of the sets, it has not been possible for the firm to supply them. If it is not in a position to supply them, the government must see that they get them from some other company or make some other arrangement for the purpose. We are sorry to find that there is a large number of breakdown of buses. This is a very important matter and I am sure some action will be taken by the government as early as possible to get rid of this difficulty. Then something must be said about the peak hour congestion. This congestion must be relieved somehow or other. For this purpose, I think the number of buses should be increased. I may bring to the notice of the government that there is a lot of discontentment among the public so far as the peak hour traffic is concerned. I request the government to take necessary steps to solve this problem in a satisfactory manner. Letter from Devan and Company, Kanpur to Messrs. Palani and Company, Lucknow. Dear Sirs, last month we sent you an order for supply of cream biscuits. We are glad that you sent them promptly and we thank you very much for it. But at the same time, we are sorry to tell you that yesterday one of our customers returned to us 3 tins of cream biscuits. The contents in these cases due to leakage of the tins had become unfit for consumption. In this connection, we would like to point out that this is unfortunate in a trial order. We hope that it will not occur again. We have been dealing with you for a long time and such a thing had not really occurred before. In the circumstances, we would suggest that you may give us credit for their value, namely rupees 200, which may be deducted from our future payments to you. Thank you. Yours faithfully.